Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another French Fried Trains Minecraft build showcase video, where we look back at some older builds that newer subscribers might not know that we've done. Because at this point, I've done over 800 Minecraft tutorials, and I know it's hard to go back and look through them all because there's so many. And today we're taking a look at this old railroad crane with its accompanying flatbed car here. And you can see it has multiple hooks and it's highly detailed with all the chains. And as with all my builds, whenever I can do an interior, I try to. So we can come inside up here and see what's inside. And for some reason right here I was getting hung up on this. So I had to go to the other doors to show you the inside of the back here. So this is what's inside the back. And as usual with trains with only 3 blocks wide, there's not room to get too much detail, but at least there is an interior. And remember, if you want to build this crane, I do have a tutorial up for it already on the channel. I'll have that video linked in the description so you can build it if you would like to. So I just wanted to show this off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, everyone have a great day.